There lived a boy named Sam. He had a cat as his pet animal. Sam was so happy whenever the cat is afraid of him. So he used to beat him, chase him, and frighten him. Seeing this, his little brother John too was so happy. He too started to frighten the cat. He shot water on the cat with water gun toy. He enjoyed pulling and twisting the tail of his cat. It would be painful to cat, right? The cat was so sad as he couldn't tell Sam and John that it was so painful. One day, the cat told his mom about it and cried. What? Can cat speak? Yes, just like human beings, animals too can speak. They won't talk like us using language, but they make sounds and tell everything. See, when you're happy and if your friends tell something very funny, you will make some sounds. That is laughing. Yes? Listen. If we are feeling sad, we will make some sound. Crying, yes? Oh, see this baby girl? She is crying. See these children? They are making some sounds to tell each other something. Yes, they are talking.
You pull my mommy said it's say sorry to the sprinkler. My mom told me it was
In the same way, animals and birds too speak. They make sounds and that sounds have names. Listen, the cow is mooing. Yes, the sound the cow makes is called moo. Now listen to the goat. It is bleating. The sound the goat makes is bleat. That's the bee. The sound the bee makes is buzz. Yes, it is buzzing. That's the hen. Her sound is cluck. Ow! The dog barks. Yes, the sound of the dog is bark. The cat meows. What's the sound? Meow. What's the sound of mouse? Squeak. The rooster crows. Here, I'm not talking about the bird crow. I'm talking about the sound of the rooster. The sound of the rooster is crow. The pigeon coos. Yes, its sound is called coo. The sound of the crow is caw. The duck quacks. Yes, the sound is quack. The frog croaks. Yes, frog's sound is croak. The sound of monkey is chatter. The sound made by the pig is oink. Donkey brays. Yes, donkey's sound is bray. The wolf howls. Yes, the sound of wolf is howl. The sound of horse is neigh. The elephant trumpets. The elephant sound is trumpet. What's the sound of owl? Yeah, it's hoot. The lion sound is roar. What's the sound of snake? Hiss. How does the bear sound? Growl. Children, I'll see whether you can identify animals by listening to their sounds. Here's an activity for you. I'll play few sounds and you tell me who makes that. Okay? Listen, who makes that sound? Yes, you're right. Duck. Duck. Quack. Ooh, listen. Who's that? Excellent, children. Elephant. Elephant. Trumpet. Listen now. Who makes that sound? Good. That's goat. Goat. Bleat. Here's one more activity for you. I'll show you few animals. You tell me what sound they make. Okay? What's the sound of donkey? Bray. You're right. What's the sound of crow? Cow. Excellent. What's mouse sound? Squeak. Good. What's the sound of pig? Oink. Good job, children. Every animal can speak by making sounds. Just because they don't know how to speak like you, don't treat them badly. They will cry. Okay, children? Hereafter, if you see a pet animal, what you have to do? Pat them. Feed them. Play with them. Listen to them. Understand them. And be kind to them. Okay, children? I'll meet you with another interesting video. Thank you.